Hi, my name is Nanette, Certified Master Herbalist and founder of aimtohealth.com. In a previous video, I showed you how you can make your own fermented vegetables just by slicing them up, placing them in a big jar, and then filling it with some distilled water and Himalayan salt or sea salt and letting it sit for 12 days. And I will put the link to that video in the description down below. I'll include that. So here is my fermented sauerkraut that I made 12 days ago. And I've been getting a lot of people asking me, well, Nanette, I don't really want to get up and first thing in the morning, get myself a bowl of sauerkraut. Is there another way that I can do this where it's a lot easier or a lot faster? And actually there is. There's a very simple thing that you can do, and I'm going to show you how to do that today because I want everyone to get their fermented veggie, whether it's cabbage or you choose another vegetable like carrots or beets or just anything, broccoli. So there's a great way that you can do this, and I often do this myself because I enjoy it this way. So what we're going to do is I have my blender here and I have my sauerkraut, I have some extra distilled water, and I have an empty bottle here that I'm going to put what I'm going to show you in here. I actually got this at the dollar store. I'm sure you can get it anywhere, Walmart or any other store. They're very popular and they seal up very, very nicely. And this was only $1. So this is a great way to store the liquid that I'm going to show you how we're going to make here so that you can take your probiotics, which again, the 80% of your immune system is in your gut in the form of good bacteria. So you want to enrich and supply your microbiota with amazing amounts of probiotics, which this will provide for you on a daily basis. And in light of defending ourselves and reinforcing our bodies, in light of the epidemic that's going on right now with the coronavirus, we want to build a strong defense system, which is your immune system. And this is one fantastic way to do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a pair of tongs and I'm going to grab some of this. Okay, I'm spilling a little bit, but it's very, very full. So I'm going to grab some of this freshly made fermented veggies. Here, I'm getting into it right now. I did pack it very, very tightly, which is one of the things that I show you to do because you want to make sure that there's no air pockets and that there's just a lot of pressed together vegetable in here when you prepare this. So I went ahead and I put a bunch in here and I'm going to set it on here. Now I'm going to add some water here just so I can have it thin it out, make that liquid that I need to make. So I'm going to put my top on here, turn this on. Let's place my setting and then let's go. Okay, so here it is, and it's nice and liquidy right now. And what I'm going to do is use my funnel here, and I'm just going to pour this in here like this. And look at that, the probiotics just ready for you to take in every single day. And what you can do is just seal it up and put it in the refrigerator, and it's ready for you to drink on a daily basis. Now what I like to do is this is incredible because it doesn't take much of this for you to just add all of this incredible probiotics into your gut. It just takes a little bit. What I like to do, I call this my probiotic shot. So I get a little shot glass. Actually, this is a big one. It doesn't matter. You can use a smaller one too if you want. I like to use a bigger one because I'd like to make sure that I get enough. You can do either 2 of these or 1 of this, and this is more of a 3-ounce shot glass, but I call it my probiotic shot because I get it into my gut all at one time, and I know that I've provided my microbiota with as many probiotics as I possibly can to boost my immune system. Again, this is 80% of your immune system is in your gut. So I'm gonna pour this in here like this. You'll want to shake it too before you use it. Just shake it up a little bit, and then you'll be ready to pour, because you will have some settling. So before you use it, just go ahead and give it a little shake like this, and then be sure to put it in the fridge. And here's my probiotic shot. I'm going to drink this. This is amazing. Oh my gosh, that is so good. And to know that I just put in a bunch of probiotics into my gut to reinforce my immune system. So that's it. This is how you can make yourself your ready-made, liquefied probiotics to take every morning. So share this with your family, your friends, your neighbors, your coworkers. This is so critically important to boosting your immune system. And be sure to subscribe to this channel so you can receive the other videos that are coming up to help boost your immune system. And until next time, stay safe and be well.